you mean by the term arithmetic progression. But before going to arithmetic progression, I'll be giving you a brief review कि ये पूरे chapter में what will we study. The first part we're going to study is the arithmetic progression. I call it as AP. That is your arithmetic progression. The second thing or the second part which you're going to study is known as GP, and this is known as geometric progression. And this was the first one. Actually ये जो geometric progression है ना, it has been introduced new into the syllabus. This wasn't there in the previous year's portion. Previous year के portion में they had only given arithmetic progression. But this time we are also going to study geometric progression. And for your knowledge, there is one more type of progression, which is the third type. It is known as HP, which is harmonic progression. And to your luck, this has not been included in the syllabus. But this thing will be approaching when you will come in the 11th standard. But in this 10th standard, we are going to concentrate on geometric progression and arithmetic progression only. Let's understand, or let's start with the starting for arithmetic progression. Now, when I'm talking about one sequence, देखो, if I give you a sequence like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, continue होता है till 90 I am giving you. This is known as a sequence of numbers. So first we learn कि ये जो arithmetic progression है उसके terms क्या होते हैं. I can call A is nothing but your first term. So whenever I am telling you guys what is the first term, you will say sir it is A, and it is also represented as T1. So T1 stands for the term number 1, which is the first term. And in this sequence, can you tell me which is your first term? It is this one. So this is nothing but your A, or this is nothing but your T1, right? Let's go on with the next part. After A, if I call N, N stands for the number of terms. What does N stand for? Number of terms. इसमें how many terms are there, students? You will say sir there are 90 terms, because it starts from 1, it ends at 90. When you count, you will have 90 terms. So whenever I am talking about N, N stands for number of terms. तो आगे जाके कोई भी question आया ना, I'll ask you students how many terms? You will say sir N terms. तो एक question आया, when you get the answer to this question how many, you have to understand that it is nothing but n is given. कितने terms आए पूछा ना तो n दे देने का आंसर. उसके बाद we are going to study the next concept, which is Tn. Tn stands for the nth term. Nth term, or also I can call it as the last term in the sequence. In this sequence, which is the last term or the nth term, I will say the nth term is this one. So I can call this as the nth term. It may not generally be the last term, but it is the nth term. If I ask you, students tell me the 39th term. Which term? 39th term. So you will say sir we have to find T39. This is your 39th term. Students tell me what is the 7th term. 7th term का मतलब what you have to find? You have to find T7. Tell me the 11th term. What you have to find? You have to find T11. So can I say in general, इसका formula क्या था? It was Tn ना? So this represents nothing but your Tn. और ये जो n है, here we substitute the value of n. Tell me the 7th term. Which term? 7th term. So n is equal to 7. Tell me the 11th term. So n is equal to 11. Are you getting this, students? After this concept, this is my sequence. The first is T1. The second is always the second term, T2. This will be your third term. This will be your fourth term, fifth term. ऐसे continue होते जाएगा. And this will be your nth term. So in this case, or in the sequence which I have given you, can you tell me what are my values? First is a, which is the first term, which is t1, and it is equal to 1. t2, which is the second term, what is t2? 2. t3 is equal to 3. ऐसे ही मैं कंटिन्यू करता हूँ. What will be my tn? My tn will be 90 in the above example. So my tn is going to be 90. So this was just a very brief concept of arithmetic progression. I just wanted to get acquainted with these terms कि हम लोग n को क्या बोलते हैं. n stands for number of terms. कितने terms पूछा तो n का आंसर मिलेगा. Tn stands for the nth term. If I ask you, students, tell me T63, 63rd term, which is T63. Which is the first term? First term is represented by either T1 or A. Okay, students.